Hello and welcome back to Maths Made Easy. Today we are going to solve a question: a square plus a upon a plus 1 the whole square is equal to 3, where a is not equal to minus 1 and a belongs to real number. Find the value of a. Let's see how we can solve this question. A square plus a upon a plus 1 the whole square is equal to 3. What we can do is a square plus a square upon a plus 1 the whole square is equal to 3. I want to get rid of this denominator term. That's why I have just split the squares in numerator and denominator. You will be saying it further. Let's bring back this 3 to the left hand side. A square plus a square a plus 1 the whole square minus 3 is equal to 0. Simple algebra. Now we are going to multiply the entire equation with a plus 1 the whole square. A plus 1 the whole square times a square plus a square minus 3 a square plus 2a plus 1 is equal to 0. Now as you can see, a plus 1 square into a square. So what we can write here is a plus 1 times a the whole square and a square minus 3 as it is. Now when you go inside, a multiply by a plus 1, a square plus a to the power 2 plus a square minus 3 as it is. Simple. Let's use the formula of a plus b the whole square here. A to the power 4 plus 2a cube plus a square up to here, a square here, and then we also take 3 inside the bracket. 3a square minus 6a minus 3 is equal to 0. Let's bring all the similar terms together. A to the power 4 is here. 2a cube, a square plus a square minus 3a square. I can write this as minus a square. 6a minus 6a minus 3 is equal to 0. Basically we have just simplified this part. A to the power 4 plus 2a cube minus a square minus 6a minus 3 is equal to 0. What I am going to show from here is very important. Otherwise you cannot factorize this part forever. So we have to make some adjustment, and that adjustment is a legitimate adjustment. You just have to learn it. A to the power 4. 2a cube can be written as minus a cube plus 3a cube. When you solve this, you get back your 2a cube. A square as it is. 6a can be written as minus 3a minus 3a. So you get minus 6a when you solve it, and minus 3 as it is. Okay, I want to tell you about this part. This I just put so we can further simplify our equation. This is minus 3a square plus 3a square will give you 0. The result of this is 0. So I just added here depending upon my equation. You have to be very good in visualization for this kind of questions. I just introduced these two terms which result 0, but these are going to help break down our equation very beautifully. Okay, now what? A to the power 4 minus a cube, a to the power 4 minus a cube, and a 2 a square, meaning comes for this one, a to the power 4 minus a cube minus a square. I took a square common from here, so we have a square minus a minus 1. This is for the first part. Now 3a into a square minus a minus 1. This comes from 3a cube 3a square and minus 3a. When you bring these three terms together, you can take 3a common and then a square minus a minus 1. Let's go further. 3a square minus 3a minus 3. You take 3 common. So you have a square minus a and minus 1 in the bracket. I hope this is clear. If not, please pause the video and try to read this equation. Or when you solve this, you go back to this one. Okay. From these three terms, 1, 2, and 3, you can take a square minus a minus 1 common. So in the bracket, you will be left with a square plus 3a plus 3. When I take a square minus a minus 1 common, which is this bracket from all these three terms, I am left with a square plus 3a plus 3 is equal to 0. Our equation is reduced to two single parts, which is equal to 0. Well, you can simplify this as a regular quadratic equation now. Now we have simplified this to two different quadratic equations. A square minus a minus 1 equivalent to 0. A square plus 3a plus 3 is equal to 0. We will be solving this separately and this one separately, and let's see which one suits our question, because the value of a cannot be negative, that is minus 1. I'm sorry, it can be negative but it cannot be minus 1, and it has to be real number. Now for the further simplification, what I have done is, instead of a, I will be writing x, just for the 2-3 steps, so we will not have any confusion with the formula. Okay, we have a, that is 1, we have b minus 1 and c minus 1. In the second equation we have a 1, b equal to 3, c equal to 3. Therefore the value of x can be written as minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. We will be substituting the values of a, b, c from the above two equation to this one, and our answer is there. Okay, minus b, minus of minus 1 plus minus under root minus 1 the whole square minus 4, 1 into minus 1 upon 2a. You can solve it to reach this what? 1 plus or minus root of 5 upon 2. Let's check the second one. X is equal to minus 3 plus or minus root of 3 square minus 4 times 1 times 3 upon 2a, where this 3 square will become 9 and 4 3s are 12. 9 minus 12 will give me minus 3, which can be under root minus 3, which is complex number. And at the beginning of this question we have been given that a belongs to real number, it cannot be complex number, therefore this is discarded. So the only possible answer for our question is 1 plus or minus root 5 upon 2. So we will be substituting this x back to our a. So now we have a equal to 1 plus root 5 upon 2 comma 1 minus root 5 upon 2. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel if you find something interesting here.